Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an interesting AI tool. So where it will having a option to upload your papers and it will summarize that papers. So this kind of tool will be very helpful for us to make our literature review very easy, or else if you want to struggling to read a reference paper for your research paper writing, so you can use this kind of option to analyze that paper. So and also it is having unique options in them. So let us go on to today's video and explore the AI tool and how it will useful for our research paper writing. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Briefy. So this is the dashboard of this AI tool. So here you can see that these are the tools available. So online summarizer, knowledge base, browser extension. So first I am going to use this online summarizer option. So here just click on this online summarizer option. So here it will ask you to upload the PDF. For example, if you are choosing that is you can, so you have to go for subscription option. So for free trial, so you can up to 30 credits. So after that you can go for subscription option. So here you can see that in order to upload the PDF, so surely you have to go for subscription option, or at least you have to have 1500 credits for in your account. So apart from this, so what you can do is, so you can copy and paste the content as like I have done. So here you can copy and paste the content. So here I have copy and pasted this particular paper, research paper. So this is the research paper. So it will give the overview of the research paper. So this research paper presents a modified 3-port zeta converter for integrating renewable energy sources. So it will give the introduction. So what this paper explains. So the paper highlights the increase in use of renewable energy resources due to harmful effects of fossil fuels. So like that it will explain give the introduction of the paper, and it will give what the proposed topology discussing about and what are the analysis and steady state equations incorporated in the paper. So like that an overview of the paper will be generated here. So like that you can copy and paste the content of your reference paper, and you can analyze your reference papers using this kind of option. So the next thing is that mind map. So here you can just use this mind map. So this mind map what will do is that considering the input what you have given, so accordingly it will generate the mind map for you. So this is how this mind map will be helpful. So next is this table. So you can just use this option called table. So it will analyze the content and make it as a table. So here you can see that, so the table will be formed like this. So input source, output source. So what will happen, that is this is modes of operation of that particular content: single input, single output, single output, single output, single input, dual output. So what will happen, switching configuration, inductor charging, battery operation, voltage gain. So like that there are different that is by considering the content a perfect table will be formed using this option. So or else if you want to chat with this particular content, so you can ask any questions you want, but after you shoot out your questions, so you can just use this option called ask. So automatically this AI will analyze this particular content and it will generate better that is better answers for you. So this is how you can utilize all this option in order to generate content. So when if you want to download this kind of mind maps, so you have to go for subscription option, or you will have to have 300 credits per month. So apart from this, so you can use the option called overview. So you can that is you can copy and paste the content for free. So after that, this is a unique option available in this tool. So that is making a table. So whenever you are struggling to make a table from your content, so you can use this kind of options to make a perfect table. So it will give the points very crisply, especially when you are making literature review. So if you want to make a table, comparative analysis table, so you can use this kind of option, or else those who are making review paper, so this kind of option is very useful. So you will make some theoretical content. So after that, so you can copy and paste the content here and use this option called table option. So automatically a generalized table will be generated. So depending upon the content you are giving, so you can make use of this option and make your writing very simple and easy. So this is how this Briefy online summarizer will work. So this is a unique option available in this tool, so you can make use of this option. So next one is knowledge base. So you can add the content whatever you want, or you can search from your content, so you can create your own databases. So like that, from this databases itself, so you can analyze the content. So this is knowledge base. So apart from this online summarizer is one of the unique tool which will provide a better table and also a better summary for the research paper. So when it comes to research paper writing, so you can use this to write literature review. So you can make a table for literature review, or else so you can copy and paste the result section of your research paper also. So from that research section, so you can make a table also. So this is how this Briefy AI works. Hope you can get an aware about this Briefy AI. So as far as plans and pricing is concerned, so for free trial, so you will be given 30 credits per month. So for standard option, it is 300 credits per month, and $7.49, it is 700 credits per month. Next, $13.99 is 1500 credits per month. So this is how this Briefy AI works. So you can go on and explore with your free trial option for 30 credits per month. So use that 30 credits and you can add your content and try to summarize and use this option, that is overview, mind map and table options, and see whether the content generating for your that is the output generating for your content is viable for you or not. So thereby you can go for subscription option. So this is all about this Briefy AI. Hope this video will bring an hour about this Briefy AI. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.